Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, I give review about skincare product. So in this video, I will review more about the skincare product called Jhalak cream, Jhalak Kojic acid beauty cream. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Once you click on the bell icon, anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. So today I will review about this product, Jala Kojic Acid 3%. It's a beauty cream. This product is very good on the skin. It helps to clear acne, melasma, dark spots, and other benefits on the skin. So let me just read out what this product, the benefit of this product. It's an anti-aging product. It treats melasma. It decreases the appearance of scars. It's an antibacterial effect. So this Jalak kojic acid beauty cream is very good. If you are looking for a product to use on your skin, I don't know what to use. Try out this Jalak. You can see the product here. See it. Although the mouth is sealed, this is the product, this is the pack. So this product is very good on the skin. It has many benefits. This product it also helps to clear your skin. And how to use this product is that you cannot just come and apply direct on your face. Before using this product, make sure you wash your face. You can wash your face with any face wash, but I advise you wash your face with Jalak face wash. Jalak has different type of face wash. Once you wash your face, then you can use it. You can use it morning and night. Within the space of 1 month, you start seeing the effect on your skin. This product is very good. If you haven't used it before and you're looking for a good product to use, try out this product. You will like it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will see the video. Any video I upload, you will be the first person to watch it. Thanks.